Hi there, students. Gaudy, an adjective. Gaudily, the adverb. Gaudiness, yeah, I suppose a noun as well. Okay, if you describe something as gaudy, it's unpleasantly bright in colour or decoration. It's flashy, it's garish, it's maybe tawdry as well. Yeah? So, if something's gaudy, it has too many bright colours. He was wearing a gaudy Hawaiian shirt. Or it has just too much decoration. Yeah? Ostentatious, tastelessly ornamented. Yeah? Outlandish. Okay, so he wore a gaudy costume. Yeah, he was very gaudily dressed. Yeah, the gaudiness of his clothes was vulgar, showy and tasteless. It was just really garish. Okay, so gaudy, bright and colourful, but crude and vulgar at the same time. Yeah, flashy, tasteless and tawdry. Okay, a gaudy purple and orange hat. A gaudy bright yellow scarf. Maybe you could describe the plumage of a bird to be gaudy. Or, yeah, the gaudy clothes as well. As an aside, we also actually have a gaudy, which is it's like a party or a celebration held by Oxford colleges. It's sort of like a reunion for the old students. Yeah, and they normally have a dinner, a gaudy as well. So gaudy, bright and flashy. Yeah, not very tasteful. Yeah, this is something that you don't want to see. The advertising was so gaudy. I actually think that gaudy things look better in hot countries where there's bright sunlight. So flashy, tawdry, trashy, brassy, tacky, tasteless, jazzy. Yeah? And that's the idea, really ostentatious. Yeah, so the gaudy colours of the picture were really just not in good taste. Okay, so how formal is this word gaudy? I think I'd probably give it a 6. It sounds a little bit literary, but I think you could use it anywhere informally or formally. And then as to origin, well, maybe it comes from the word gaud, meaning an ornament or a trinket, or perhaps from Old French gaudir, to rejoice. Yeah, there are various different other possibilities as well. Okay, so gaudy, showy, ornamental, excessively bright and tacky and tasteless and vulgar. Okay, so this was his taste is so gaudy that I just can't live with it. Yeah, the gaudy colours of the advertising made me want to be sick. Yeah, tone it down a bit. Don't dress so gaudily. Yeah, try some more moderate colours, something that's not so gaudy. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Gaudy.